Fix Wuthering Waves random lags on PC. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Wuthering Waves random lags on PC. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open any type of preferred browser, then here simply search for Wuthering Waves support email, here as you can see right here. Then simply search for it. Then here you can see many options. Simply scroll down until you see an site of Epic Games. Simply click onto it. Then here as you can see, contact the support team here, and here is an email. So then here simply copy this email address. Then here open a new tab and then simply open Gmail app. Then here on the top left corner you can see an option named Compose. Simply click onto it. Then here simply paste the email that you had copied earlier. Then here on the subject option, simply describe your problem that you are dealing with, then simply click on send button right here. Then within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team will reach out to you and then provide you a fix to your solution, which will be an accurate fix. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.